about. Yesterday we discussed the basic introduction of Angular. So here, what is Angular? It is framework of TypeScript. I told you. So now here, TypeScript is a client-side script. Okay. So this TypeScript is just like JavaScript. We can use TypeScript also to work with the front-end applications, to work with the browser functionalities. Okay, this TypeScript is nothing but so client-side script. Okay, so now here JavaScript and TypeScript, if you take here, JavaScript and TypeScript, if you take here. So many differences are there between JavaScript and TypeScript. So here, why they use a TypeScript to develop the packages of Angular framework? That is the main point here. Okay, there are many more features are there in this TypeScript over JavaScript. So what are these features we'll discuss here? Okay, now here, JavaScript is not supporting data types, but TypeScript supports data. This is the first point. Okay, JavaScript is not supporting any data types, but if you take TypeScript, TypeScript supports different types of data types. Okay, yes, that's the first point which we have. Okay, fine. So if any technology is not supporting data types, then we have problem with the technology here. So what is the problem here? So at the time of changing the values in variables, performance is slow because it will check whether user entered the number or string like that. So then internally it is creating the data types for that variable, but externally we are not providing any data types. Okay, we have different types of data types like int is there, string is there, and float is there, like that. So these are different types of data types which we have. Okay, yeah. So at the time of variable declaration, generally we are using these data types. At the time of variable declaration, generally we are using these data types. But when you are coming to this TypeScript here, okay, so sorry, JavaScript is not supporting any data types, but TypeScript is supporting different types of data types. That is the first point which we have. Is this clear? Yes. Yeah. So here means we can't provide the data types in JavaScript. In TypeScript, we can restrict a variable with the specific data type. Okay. Second point, JavaScript is not supporting. Okay. Oops concepts. So object-oriented programming point of view, if you observe here, so JavaScript is not supporting object-oriented programming concepts. But if you take TypeScript, TypeScript supports object-oriented programming concepts. Now, if you take JavaScript inheritance concept is there. Sorry, not, inheritance is there. Next one, classes are there. But still it is not supporting the 100% object-oriented programming concepts. Okay. But when you take the TypeScript is supporting different types of object-oriented programming concepts like inheritance. Okay, next one, abstraction is there, interfaces are there, like that. All these concepts support is there. Okay, that is one more advantage. So TypeScript supports complete object-oriented programming concepts. So that is second reason why they used Angular with TypeScript. Okay, why they implemented the packages of Angular with TypeScript. Okay, fine. Next one, third point, if you take JavaScript is TypeScript is compiler. JavaScript, if you take here, JavaScript is interpreted script. Okay, interpreted script means what is that? So we have written hundreds of lines code. Okay, so that time So line execution is there. For example, you have errors in 10 lines. Not display all errors. It will not display all errors. Okay, at a time. So one error it displays first. Once you rectify that error, then it will display the next error. Like that here, error by error, it is displaying. Okay, but when you are coming to this TypeScript at a time displays all these errors. That is very, very advantage for us. Okay, because as a programmer, you can rectify all errors in a single shot. And TypeScript is compiler based. Now that's the performance is very fast. Okay. Yeah, that is third point. So definitely in interview they will ask you these questions. What are the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript? So definitely they will ask those questions. Okay. Okay. Not good to display errors. Yeah. So what this point I will tell you. So JavaScript, if you take here, at the time of displaying the errors, it is not displaying the all errors here. Okay, means the problem is error messaging is not good. Error messaging means what the reason for this error. Okay, yes, what the reason for this error. So that messaging is not good in JavaScript. So it displays, for example, if you forgot any open quotations or closing quotations for a string. So that time it displays, yeah, unexpected syntax error like that, but it will not display the specific reason why that error we got. So like that here, in error point of view, it is not at all good to display the error messages. Is it clear? Yes. Next one. Yeah. Compare JavaScript. Okay. Yeah. Compare with JavaScript. TypeScript coding is simple. So here, if you compare with JavaScript, TypeScript is very simple in coding. Yes. So coding point of view, TypeScript is very, very simple for us. Okay. So here just JavaScript coding, for example, one concept is that the concept you want to implement JavaScript. Okay. For that, you need to write number of lines coding. You need to write number of lines coding. Same concept if you take in TypeScript. So TypeScript is very simple in coding point of view. That is the main advantage of this. Is it clear? These are the main points what we have in differences of JavaScript and TypeScript. Is it clear? Yeah. So here in AngularJS means which version? 1.x, 1.1, 1.2, 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. All these versions comes under AngularJS. Okay. So Angular means from 2.x onwards. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these versions comes under Angular. Okay. Now if you take this AngularJS and Angular, so in Angular they used which script here? JavaScript or TypeScript to develop the packages. They used JavaScript. But in Angular from version 2 onwards, okay, up to 12. So recently released it. That is 12th version is released a few months back only. So all these versions working based on which one? JavaScript or TypeScript? Yes, TypeScript. So why they use it TypeScript? That is the reason here. It is nothing but. So these are the advantages in TypeScript compared with JavaScript. Yes? Yeah. Now I think you get the clarity. So the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript, right? Yeah. Now you can ask me any doubts in this point of view. So definitely in interview, they will ask you questions. Okay, like, so why this Angular team use a TypeScript? Okay, what the reason behind that? So these type of questions definitely will raise in interviews. So you got the clarity now. So come on, you can ask me any questions you have in this point of view. Yeah, any queries?
I just wanted to ask this, JavaScript is not good to display errors.
It is not proper about JavaScript is not good to display errors means here this reason is not good to display the errors reason that specific reason it is not providing. So this is the, for example, okay, you are passing arguments. Okay, you're passing the arguments. So I will show you one concept here.
Okay.
Teams of. Okay, now here I will show you one concept. See this one program I'm creating. Teams. Edit plus. Yes. Now new file. Save this. Okay, now I am saying this file Ratan with the name. So demo2.html. So script tag I'm taking here and load that script tag. Yes, yeah. Now in this script tag, one function I'm taking. So for your clarity, I'm showing you this program. Okay.
Yeah.
So now in this function, I'm passing two arguments. Okay, x comma y. Okay. Now here I'm using a let x plus y I have given. Okay. So now what it displays here, okay, that is the result of x and y. Now I am calling this function one by passing 10 comma 20. Save this program and go to this. So demo2.html. Okay, this file I am opening here. Copy. Now here, what is the output we have? 30. Okay, yeah. Now see, if I pass 1, 2, 3, pass 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now arguments we are passing here. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Hello.
3 arguments we are passing here, right? Hello.
Yeah. Yes, yes. I'm able to.
But here, how many variables we declared here?
Only two.
2 variables we declared. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So is it mismatch or not?
Yes, it's
Yes. Yeah. So it is mismatch argument. So actually, in this point of view, it has to display the error message. Right click here. Okay. Error is there. Now here, right click, go to that inspect. Error is there, but it is not displaying the error message here. Okay. Yeah, that is the main reason. Okay. So now, how can you see the inspect errors in JavaScript? Inspect console is there, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So go to the console option. Is it displaying any error? No, no.
No.
So now here, come to this. I'm declaring 4 variables: y, comma, yes. Okay. A comma b. A comma b. Yeah, save this file and go to this. Or if I refresh, okay. So here, first of all, a comma b, x plus y is there, na? X plus y plus a I have given here. So what the error? What the output you are expecting now? Tell me. Generally, with other, if you compare with other technologies. If you compare with other technologies, what would be the output you are expecting? Error message should display here, yes or no? Because 4 variables you declared. Yes, and how many values we are passing?
Only 3.
3 values. So in this point of view, you will get the you need to get the error message. But here in JavaScript, if I refresh this one, then here 153 the output something we are getting, but it is not raising any error message. Like that here, so this is not good in errors point of view. Is it clear? That is the main concept of it. Okay. Yeah. But TypeScript is not like that. Same concept I will show you with TypeScript. Okay. So in TypeScript, it will display each and every message properly. Okay, you will get the information about all messages properly. So that is the main difference between JavaScript and TypeScript. This is clear? Yeah. So any doubts you have in this point? Any questions you have?
So for Swamy, so for Angular, we should know about JavaScript or TypeScript.
Yeah, we should know about TypeScript. That's why here I will explain you the TypeScript concepts here. Okay. Don't need to have idea on JavaScript here. We should know about TypeScript.
Sir, JavaScript is not supported whoops concept, right? But introduce ES6 in classes interface are introduced, right? But you tell not support whoops concept, JavaScript.
Yeah, actually, is it supporting interfaces? No. Is it supporting extra classes? No. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
That's why I told you it is not supporting object-oriented programming concepts.
Okay. JavaScript template based or any pure object whoops based language?
Object based. JavaScript is object based.
Okay.
Not object oriented. Okay. It is object based. Yeah. So these are the main things which we have. Okay. And the next point is we need to start the TypeScript concepts. Anyhow, there is no power at my home and my laptop also charging is very less. Okay. So today second class, and that's why I don't want to disappoint you by canceling this session. That's why I have taken these points. Okay. So from night onward, there is no power. So in next class, I will discuss the TypeScript concepts. I will start the TypeScript concepts from next class onwards. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So due to this heavy rains, because of this cyclone, I got this video today. Okay, but it won't happen again. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow I will discuss the TypeScript concepts.